Session 24. A new car.
What time are you picking up the car?
I have to be there at 11:30. I still have to decide which colour I want.
What are your options?
Well, I'm stuck between a red one and a blue one. They are both nice colours.
Which one do you think you'll go for?
I think I'll go for the blue one. It looks better in the sun.
Blue is supposed to be a calming colour.
Well, the colour is on the outside, so that's not going to benefit me, is it?
Oh, of course. What was I thinking? It was a wise move buying a second-hand one. You saved yourself some money.
It was Polly's idea, really. She's more frugal than I am.
How old is the car?
The red one is 10 years old, and the blue one is 8 years old.
And which one is the high-tech CD player that you told me about?
That will be the one has the red one, but the blue one has less miles and more comfortable seats.
I suppose comfort is more important. What is the steering like?
The blue one has much better steering, even though they are the same model.
Well, it sounds like you've made your decision. I'm looking forward to seeing it.